Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Tanti Julianingrum from Sport and Health Education at JAM University. We'll be telling this article about my study program, which is titled Strategies for Learning in Physical Education. In physical education learning activities, of course, a teacher must pay attention to the right learning approaches and strategies that a teacher uses for his students so that later the material delivered by the teacher can be properly absorbed by the students so that the learning objectives can be achieved with good results. Therefore, the following approaches and learning strategies are described in physical education learning. Instructional approaches to physical education learning. Physical education learning is largely determined by the teacher's learning approach to the skills that students will learn. Experts agree that there are two types of learning approaches to learning physical education, namely direct learning and indirect learning. In this case, of course, these two methods each have advantage and disadvantage in their implementation. This time, the author will try to describe the direct approach and the indirect approach, so that later it can be taken into consideration which approach is more suitable for use in its implementation in the field. The first is that a direct approach is more effective for students to learn certain material. In this case, direct learning might include the following: a task-oriented but not overly rigorous, environment focus, and academic goals. A clear selection of learning objective, subject matter, and active monitoring of student progress must be given due attention. Structured learning activities academically focused feedback. If a teacher can utilize these four factors in implementing physical education learning activities through a direct approach, then it is likely that the material the teacher delivers will be well absorbed by the students. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And I end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.